So this is how you would fold up your letter in the 18th century before envelopes were commonly used. Get your letter in landscape and fold in half. Then fold back open. Fold one side to the middle line. And fold the other side to the middle line. Fold part of the top half, so like this, that amount should be fine. Like this, and then fold the bottom part of the letter almost to the top. So you should have a bit of a gap at the top. Fold back open and put the bottom flap into the top flap. Okay, so that is your letter nicely folded up, and you can finish it with a nice seal. So today I am going to use a nice pineapple seal. So there you have it. This is how you would fold up your letter in the 18th century before envelopes were commonly used. Thank you for watching.